Hi everyone, my name is Dimitri and welcome back to Hi everyone, my name is Dimitri and welcome back to DimitriTube. Today, we will be making some big, fat, juicy sausages. Let's dive in and get started. I apologize beforehand if I seem to be rushing at all in this video. It is 95 degrees today and the AC in this apartment is very loud. So I had to cut off the AC so I can film. So I will try to film this as quickly as possible. If I start sweating in the video, it's because the AC is off, not because I didn't pay the bill. Hi everyone, my name's Dimitri and welcome back to DimitriTube. And we are doing some real good cooking today because I got on my clogs.
Yikes.
I gotta make sure the feet is comfortable so I can give you my best. To make this Italian sausage, here are the ingredients and items you will need. Italian sausage, a green pepper, onion, buns. If you're cutting your carbs because you're planning on getting involved in an entanglement soon, you don't need to use the bread. Feel free to cut it right out. Olive oil, a cutting knife, a cutting board, and some water. Sorry I had to put it in a glass versus like a measuring cup. I cannot find our measuring cup right now, so this will just have to do. Okay, now let's get started with the cooking. Okay, I am gonna chop up these veggies real quick. I like to do them in like long slices because it's easier to transfer the sausage to the bun. Okay, for the green pepper, it's gonna be the same thing. We're gonna go for like slices. Also, I don't know if this is the correct way to cut it, but I always, you see this like top, let me see it in the camera. That top piece, I'll like kind of cut it out and then just pull it out. I don't know, that's just how I do it. It's probably not. You see that top part? I'll just cut it and just pull it out. I just think it's an easier way of like cutting a green pepper. And same as before, I'm just gonna have slices. First step, you're gonna heat the pan to like medium high. I'll just put it at like a 7. And if you guys see me going like this, this burner may be even, but if I go like this a lot, it's just know it's because the burners are even. If you have even burners, you don't have to do all that. So try to get an even coat of olive oil on the pan. So basically, I just make sure it's coated. Basically, you just want to make sure the whole bottom of the pan is like coated. This is like plenty of oil. And then you're gonna add some water. You don't need that much water. Honestly, this is probably enough. That looks good to me. And you want to make sure the pan gets nice and hot before you put the sausages in. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the sausages. Be careful. And then one of the most important steps, you want to put a lid on it. Make sure you put a lid over the sausages or they're not gonna cook all the way internally. You gotta make sure you put a lid on it. Now these are gonna take about 10 minutes to cook. I prefer my sausages a little burnt. If you don't like them a little burnt, then don't cook them that long. You can remove them earlier. And for a side, I'm just making a side of corn. It's literally just canned corn. I added salt, pepper, some butter, and now I'm waiting for it to boil. Now you can see the sausages are cooking pretty well. I hope I didn't get the camera see me. You can see, as you can see the color, they're cooking pretty good. Not the same color that we initially started with. Let me go ahead and flip these bad boys over. Okay, these sausages are nearing completion, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the peppers and onions. Let me go ahead and flip these over again and see how crisp they are. Yep. I like mine a little burnt, so that's the way I like them. I cannot tell y'all how yummy this smells right now. Especially with the peppers and onions. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum. Now these sausages are pretty much done right now. I could pull them out right now. I prefer mine a little burnt. If you don't like yours burnt, then just pull yours out a little bit early. Also, if you prefer your vegetables more crunchy and less cooked, you can also add your vegetables a little later than I did as well. Okay, so these should be just about done. Yeah, so you just want to make sure it's like kind of even on both sides. Just make sure it's even. And then we start plating it. Oh, it smells so good. And the vegetables getting a little burnt too. Yum. So this one is a little lighter than the other ones. I'm just gonna eat it. I prefer them burnt, but I'm just gonna eat that one the way it is anyway. Because I'm really hungry. I just came from the gym. So to plate it, I just use a bowl and I line it with some paper towels. The sausages are gonna be a little oily, so I prefer like the paper towels. It's so the oil will go on the towel and it'll absorb into the towel versus just staying on the sausage. Major key alert, and then we got the veggies. Pour them veggies on. Make sure to scoop up all them veggies. Make sure to turn off the oven and remove that from the burner, let it cool a bit. And that's it. It's a very quick and easy recipe. Let me get this plated for you guys, and then we can sit down and eat. Yes, now my favorite part of the video, I get to eat with you all. I really hope you guys can see the top of my head. My setup right now is very ratchet. I wanted to get the food and I wanted to get my face, but this is a very low budget channel. I'm not working with a lot of equipment. Also, these sausages smell so good right now. And I spent probably 5 minutes just smelling these sausages while I was setting up the camera equipment. Ooh, I forgot a fork. And I'm back. Now let's dive in. So when I eat my sausages, I put a little bit of Dijon mustard. You can put ketchup, mayo, mustard, whatever kind of mustard you have. Whatever is good. Ugh, that was a little bit of mustard juice. I forgot to shake it. What do you all put on your sausages? Please let me know below in the comments. And again, if you're cutting carbs because you're trying to live your hot girl summer, you don't have to do the bun like I did. You can eat just the sausages and the veggies, but I eat carbs. I am so hungry right now. I just got back from the gym with my friend Brett like an hour ago, and I have not eaten since that workout. For the sausages, I used Italian sausages. You can use the sweet sausages, the hot sausages, the mild sausages. Just pick whichever variety you like. They're all tasty. I can't really do the hot ones though, because I'm not the best with spicy food. Whew, I can't wait. Let's eat it. Mmm. 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 Oh my god, it's so yummy. Wait, do I look attractive eating this? Mmm. 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 That bite, I got both a green onion and a pepper, and it is so good. The vegetables are really soft, a little burnt, and honestly cooked just right. Let me try some of this corn. Mmm. Mmm. Nice little side. I was gonna make corn and I was gonna bake some potatoes, but it is 95 degrees today and I had to cut the AC to film. So if I had baked some potatoes too, it would have gotten way too hot in here way too quickly. Mmm, mmm, mmm. When you're cooking, you can use whatever onion you want. Honestly, I think yellow onion probably tastes the best with this. So if you're not sure what onion to get, go for the yellow onion. Can you hear that in the background? That's my neighbor's dog downstairs. Usually she's not too much of an interruption when I'm making these videos. I don't know if you guys like corn, but it is a very easy side. Literally just threw in 2 cans of corn, added salt, pepper, and some butter, let it boil. You got a nice easy side too. Sorry everyone, I know you wanna watch me crush this next sausage, but I do need to cut this video short. It is already 80 degrees in this apartment and I really need to cut the AC back on. As you can see, I'm already starting to glisten a little bit. Thank you all so much for joining me in this video today. If you like this video, please make sure to pound that like button, pound that subscribe button, and ring that notification bell, and I will see you guys next time. If you have any suggestions on what I should make for my next video, please post below in the comments. Have a good one. Bye.